has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, southwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cedar Hill State Park, or near Grand Prairie, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Glen Heights, Cockrell Hill, Ovilla, and Cedar Hill State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 412 and 425. Interstate 20 between mile markers 450 and 469. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.
WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County and for southwestern Dallas County until 9:45. A severe thunderstorm complex is located over Cedar Hill State Park or near Grand Prairie and is nearly stationary, producing 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for southeastern Tarrant County and southwestern Dallas County until 9:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.